right, this is a little bit trickier, the second one. So I'm gonna do the isometric along with you as well. So I'm looking at it on my screen here, and let me count the height first. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. It looks like it's 8 tall. So I'm gonna start down here in the bottom corner, but maybe up a little bit. If you're on a full page, you don't have to think too hard about where to start, but just make sure you don't go off the page with it. All right, so let's see, maybe I'll start here. And I'm gonna go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, and let me straighten that line out a little bit there. Okay, and then I'm gonna come over this way 2 and 2 down here, and that'll make my first face. All right, if you're looking at go look at the picture, see I just made that face first. Now I'm basically gonna do the L shape here. So what I'll do is I'll do the top of that L shape next and then finish it off. Okay, so how deep is it? It looks like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 this way. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Ooh, just barely made it. All right, so there's that top bit. Oh, now it doesn't go all the way to the edge here. So I'm gonna erase, that's why I'm doing this in pencil. I'm gonna erase that bit there. Okay, because this actually comes over, it's an L shape. And then that L is, it looks like also 8. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And then over 2. And that's my L shape for the top. So now what I've done is I've got this front facing side, and then I've got this top facing face. All right, now this bit comes down only 2 right here, this corner edge. And then it goes over to the side. So I'm gonna go ahead and draw that in. And then for the triangle, the next part, it comes over this way and then goes down. But let me count how many it comes over. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And then it goes, actually it was only 4 there. And then it goes down. Let's see. Oh, to meet the bottom of this guy, which is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So I'm counting how far down on this one right here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And then across there, and that's that side facing face right there. Okay, now I know how far, because this one goes back to, I know how far to come down with this triangle guy here. And then this side just comes straight over to there, and so does this. So notice, the triangle didn't really pop out until I did these last 2 lines connecting those 2 points. So if you missed like how I got up to there, just rewind and go back to see step by step which line I did in which order, and it might make more sense. Now I want to do my shading, and so anything facing the front, like from this angle, has the darker shading. That's this face here. Okay, make it a little darker. There we go. And this face in here is also facing that same direction. Sorry, my camera's shaking. I just have it like, my phone is just resting on a box right now, so. Okay, so there's my front facing bits. And one thing that's nice to do after you do a little bit of shading is to go in and darken some of your lines. So I'm gonna darken this line right here and this line right here, just to make them stand out. That makes it look nicer. That line, some clear definition between the different faces. Okay, and then what I'll do is, again, I'm gonna hold my pencil differently like this to get the right side facing faces. And then just very lightly, I'll shade that in. And if you go too dark, you can always just use your eraser and erase a little bit. But that one and this one. And yeah, sometimes I'm just like going outside the lines here, and then I'm gonna go back and just erase. There it is. All right, let me know if you need help on that. Oh, let me double check I didn't skip anything. The top here, and then this one, it's kind of up to you what you wanna do with that. If you wanna shade it one or the other, you can. You can also just leave it. I might actually go ahead and shade that light. Yeah. It looks weird having it the same color as the top. So, there we go. All right.